Hi guys, Martha Farrell here from Poughkeepsie Public Library, and I'm here to tell you about some good hiking areas you can go to during this time of quarantine. I live in Ulster County, so that's where I am today. I'm at Onteora Lake, which is about 4 miles north of Kingston on Route 28. You just drive up Route 28, you'll see the signs for it. It's a great area. I'm going to post some pictures along my hike since I don't really want to video while I'm hiking. But I just want to show you how beautiful it is right now, and hope you come out and keep a safe distance and stay healthy. I just came across something very interesting in the woods here. It's very odd. It looks like there was a car crash a long time ago. And listen to that rain come down. I just want to show you Onteora Lake. You might be able to hear the peepers. Very beautiful.